Ever felt like affiliate marketing is pure guesswork? Like leads are falling through the cracks and you have absolutely no idea what actually works. You're staring at spreadsheets that make zero sense, wondering if that campaign you launched last week is printing money or burning through it. Does this resonate? Look, I've been there. That sick feeling in your stomach when you realize you've been sending quality leads into the void, not knowing which partners are converting and which ones are basically stealing from you. It's like trying to run a business blindfolded while someone keeps moving the furniture around. Picture this. It's Tuesday morning and you're overwhelmed by a whirlwind of disorder. Your tracking links are broken again. Half your leads got rejected for reasons nobody can explain. You've got affiliate data scattered across 15 different platforms. And trying to piece together your actual ROI feels like a jigsaw puzzle where half the pieces are missing. Then there's the compliance nightmare keeping you up at night. Are you following the GDPR rules? Is the traffic source sending you bot clicks? What about fraud protection? You're constantly worried that one mistake could tank your entire operation or land you in legal hot water. Meanwhile, your competitors seem to have their act together, while you're stuck playing catch up with duct tape solutions that break every other week. What's shitty? You know you're leaving a bag of money on the table. Quality leads are getting wasted because your distribution system is slower than a dial-up internet. Partners are complaining about poor quality leads, but you can't prove otherwise because your reporting looks like it was designed by someone who hates affiliate marketing. Here's where everything changes. Imagine if I reveal a method that turns that confusion into perfect understanding. Introducing Irev. It's like the ultimate multi-tool for affiliate marketing, designed to function just as you've always hoped every tool would. Irev isn't just another tracking platform trying to be everything to everyone. It's specifically built for affiliate marketers who are tired of playing the guessing game when it comes to their business. Instead of juggling 12 different tools that don't talk to each other, you get one powerful platform that handles tracking, automation, fraud protection, and compliance all in one place. Remember that tracking nightmare I mentioned? Irev gives you real-time visibility into every single lead, from the moment it hits your system until it converts. No more wondering if your pixels are firing correctly or if leads are disappearing into some digital black hole. You see everything instantly, with the kind of clarity that makes you feel like you have superpowers. But tracking is just the beginning. The automated lead distribution system is where things get really hot. Instead of manually routing leads and hoping for the best, Irev intelligently distributes them based on performance data, partner preferences, and real-time availability. This means higher conversion rates and fewer rejections. Partners who actually want to work with you because your leads are solid gold. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: fraud and compliance. Irev has built-in fraud detection that catches suspicious activity before it costs you money. Plus, it handles GDPR compliance automatically, so you can sleep peacefully knowing you're not accidentally breaking international privacy law. It's like having a legal and security team working around the clock to protect your business. The custom dashboards are a game changer too. Instead of staring at confusing spreadsheets, you get visual reports that actually make sense. Revenue by source, conversion rate by partner, lead quality metrics. Everything presented in a way that helps you make smart decisions fast. And if you're using other business intelligence tools, Irev integrates seamlessly so your data flows exactly where you need it. Here's what really sold me on this platform. I talked to several Irev clients and their stories sound like affiliate marketing fairy tales. One agency saw their lead rejection rate drop by 40% in their first month. Another client increased their monthly reoccurring revenue by 60%. Simply because they could finally see which campaigns were actually profitable. A gaming affiliate told me Irev saved his team 15 hours per week on manual processes, which they reinvested into scaling their best performing campaigns. Consider the changes taking place in this situation. Before Irev, you're living in confusion, constantly stressed about compliance issues, watching leads slip through the cracks, and making decisions based on incomplete data. But after Irev, you wake up to dashboards that tell you exactly what's happened overnight. Leads flowing smoothly to the right partners, and the confidence that comes from actually understanding your business. It's the difference between driving blindfolded and having a GPS, night vision, and a crystal ball all rolled into one. Transitioning from disorder to tranquility. Moving from uncertainty to understanding. Shifting from anxiety to assurance. That's the shift Irev creates for affiliate marketers who are serious about scaling their operations. Want to experience this transformation for yourself? Here's what you can do right now. Take just one of your current campaigns, maybe your best performer or your most confusing one, and import it into Irev. Within a week, you'll see conversions improve and rejections decrease. It's that immediate. Platform is designed for quick wins. You don't need to restructure your entire operation or spend months learning complicated softwares. Set up your first campaign tracking today, and by next week, you'll have a clearer insight than you had in months. But here's the thing, knowledge without action is just entertainment. You could keep struggling with your current setup, hoping things will magically improve, or you could take control and finally get the clarity you deserve. Ready to stop guessing and start knowing what actually works in your affiliate marketing? Click the link below and book a demo with Irev team. Take their platform for a test drive and see how it transforms your daily operations. This is your platform to transforming confusion into understanding and chaos into successful scalable campaigns. And because you stuck around until the end, I put together an exclusive AI prompt bundle designed specifically for affiliate marketers. These are the exact prompts I use for campaign optimization, lead qualification, and partner outreach. Click the link in the description and grab your free copy and start automating more of your affiliate marketing workflows today. Stop letting great opportunities slip through the cracks. Your future profitable self will thank you for making this move today. Stay dangerous.